Got a bunch of floaties in the water. What do we got in here for drinks? I got hot cocoa. And do I have any coffee? Oh, I do have one. Might do a mocha. And pick up whatever I drop. Oh, here it is. So if you're seeing this combo for the first time, all I do is I take a thing of coffee and a thing of hot chocolate and I just mix them together. I got the idea from Steve 1989. He calls it the Army Mocha. And I tried it one day and just absolutely loved it. I get the no sugar Swiss Miss because there's already sugar in the coffee, so it's a winning combo. I'm also got a pot of water on for my lunch. Lunch is going to be Zatarain's Jambalaya. 1 pot Jambalaya. 30 minutes just to add meat. This is 25, simmer 25 minutes. Yikes. Okay, well I'm going to be adding some chicken. I saw a Sarkis. I was like, wait, is that chicken? And I got this at Pro Bass Shop. I might have to do the other camera, but it's elk summer sausage with pork added from Pearson Ranch. It's $10. I might have to show it on the other camera. So there it is. Elk hickory smoked summer sausage with pork added, which means it's probably 90% pork. But I don't think I've ever had this brand before, but you know, I like summer sausage, so figured it would taste good. Got my water on. I'm blind! Oh! Cannot see! Sweet. Alright, cheers. Yum. Damn, that's delicious. It's not the warmest day today either, so it's really hitting the spot. Yum. Man, it's such a highly recommended combo. I almost forgot the oil. I think I only called for about a tablespoon. Close enough, give or take. So what's interesting about this Zatarain's is I opened the box and it came in a pouch. So what I would do is just open it up and just write the directions on the bag as you need it. Put these two together, put it in the zip top bag, and you got a trail meal. I mean, you can find packets of oil, or just bring a little screw top bottle. And I don't see why that wouldn't work. I mean, it'd be nice with a sausage, but unless you can find a small one or something else to carry. That's pretty boil. Well, the bag's not easy to open. No problem. I got a knife. Alright, so the directions said to bring to a boil, which it is now, and then let simmer for 25 minutes. It's 12:28, so I'd say about 55, depending. I'll make sure to keep stirring it as I go because I don't want it to burn. So, and it's really hard to get just the right temperature sometimes. Not impossible, just, you know, a little trickier. And if I didn't mention it, the grill is the Yoler, is from Yoler. I'll link the video down below. I had to do it on the tailgate because when I received it, I had it, it was burn banned, so I couldn't use it. But now burn bans are lifted and I finally got it out. So far I like it. I mean, I had enough room for a kettle, for water, and for this pot. So good stuff. All right. Wanted to, I've been stirring it off and on. Oh, we got a lot of liquid lost. Yep. Check it. A little rice taste. Close, but no cigar. I don't want it to burn by. Well, the liquid is lost, absorbed into the rice. Tastes good though. Really close. Alright, so I was going to throw in some chicken, thinking that maybe the liquid in the chicken will help, but I realized, oh wait, there's no draining required with the chicken. Oh well. Finally got me. I'm all full of smokage. Alright, all the liquid is gone, so get another taste test. Scoot it back. Whoa, girl, what are you doing? I'm gonna call it. Because it's super close, but there's no more moisture. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my summer sausage. Alright, before I do anything else, well, before the sausage, I'm gonna get this grill off because I don't need it anymore. If I can get to it. I can't. I got a big fire pit. My summer sausage, my food prep knife ready, my cutting board. Am I going to be able to open this up? Yeah, I think I can. There we go. I'm going to take some of this to work tomorrow and munch on it for a snack. I think that much will do. Get rid of this outer layer. Peel that off. Gotta do a taste test. Give that a stir in just a minute. Alright. Let's choke on some smoke while I stir this in. That's a lot of food, man. Should have brought my blue my blue quart. It's a lot of food. Dang. I'd have to take some of that home. Alrighty. Gotta add a little Texas Pete to mine, because no meal is complete. There we go. I already tasted the spoon a few times and ate a little bit of the rice. It's good. Oh yeah. So I sat down and enjoyed this. Alright, well, that was good. Clean the bowl. Unfortunately, I've got a lot left. So probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the lid down. One of the reasons I love this pot so much. When I lock down that lid, I'm just going to take it home. I might take it to work tomorrow for lunch. It was real tasty though. I can't believe I didn't eat more of it because it's only quarter cup per serving. There's only 5 servings, so you know it's just like slightly more than a Norm meal, and I can finish a Norm meal. So I don't know. Well, alrighty. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, I'm gonna wrap up with the fire. I'm probably gonna get some water and douse the fire. Didn't make as big a fire as I wanted. I probably should have gotten an earlier start. It is what it is. But gonna head on home. Well, I gotta head to the store. Actually, 2 stores. Then go home and I'm gonna spend the rest of the evening relaxing because I gotta work tomorrow morning. So, you know, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.